Splashtop Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Splashtop is a remote desktop solution, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just a simple screen sharing tool. The surprising truth is that Splashtop offers high-performance remote access for businesses, teams, and individuals, with secure connections, multi-monitor support, and cross-platform functionality. Pricing starts with a free personal plan for occasional remote access, but serious users will look at Splashtop Business Access, which begins at per month per user for annual billing. There is also Splashtop Remote Support for teams, which starts at per month per technician, offering features like unattended access, device management, and robust security. You won't believe the value. Each plan includes high-definition streaming, file transfer, and remote printing. Most people get this wrong by comparing only the base cost. Splashtop's strength lies in its combination of speed, security, and additional management tools. For businesses, these features can significantly reduce downtime and its support costs. The platform also offers educational and enterprise-level plans with more advanced features, so pricing scales with need. In conclusion, Splashtop pricing is flexible and designed for users ranging from casual personal access to enterprise-level management. By understanding which plan fits your use case, including features like remote printing, file transfer, and multi-monitor support, you go from zero to pro in evaluating if Splashtop delivers real value for your money.